Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying why you need the Remid cookie and ensuring you have lawful access to the account. Once done, gather the essentials: a logged-in browser session, the exact site domain, and any account identifiers. Make sure to document consent if this is not your personal account, because that avoids legal risk. This step prevents wasting time on forbidden activities and sets a clear, ethical objective. From here, you'll use only supported, transparent tools or official channels to proceed. Next, use official site features or support to retrieve session information. For example, check account settings for session exports or security pages showing active devices. If no user-facing export exists, contact the site's support and request the data you need. Explain your purpose and provide proof of account control. Once you've engaged support, rely on documented APIs or admin tools they provide rather than browser hacks. This preserves security and keeps your process auditable and compliant. Finally, when you receive any session identifier or token, treat it like a password. Store it encrypted and limit its lifespan. Once done, update your workflow to rotate credentials and revoke stale sessions. If support is slow or rejects the request, provide the requested verification and clearly explain the use case. Escalate to a supervisor if needed. If something fails, make sure to capture exact error messages and timestamps so support can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.